Hello everyone, in today's topic we are going to talk about constructing basic geometry. And this topic can be found in page 35 of your textbook. So let us have some words. So the first word is correct, it's line. And the second word is point. Third word is angle. Fourth is parallel. And fifth is obtuse. Then the last one is perpendicular. So let us have some bits from the past. From ancient Greek times, mathematicians considered three famous geometric construction problems. Given the tools at the time, a compass and an unmarked ruler, these problems challenged mathematicians for centuries. In 1796, Gauss proved that the number of sides of constructible polygons had to be of certain form involving Fermat primes, corresponding to the so-called trigonometry angles. So let us have some properties of points and straight lines. There's only one straight line passing through 2 points. So given 2 points, there is only one straight line that could pass those 2 points. So if we have points P and Q, there is only one line G that can pass through it. Or we can also name that line as line PQ or line G. So another property is two straight lines intersect only at one point. So if we have two lines, they only intersect at only one point. So line BC and line DA intersects at point O. Here's a few points to remember when doing geometric constructions. Use only a straight edge or ruler. Use sharp pencil. Do not erase the construction lines. Now let us construct. In today's construction, we are going to have 5 different constructions. So the first one is how to copy a line segment. So in here, we are going to copy a line segment. So from line segment AB, we are going to construct a congruent segment to the line segment AB. So from here, first we are going to have our ray using your ruler. And then we are going to construct a line segment congruent to line segment AB. So from here, we are going to name the point as point C. And then we are going to move it down so that we can measure the length. So from point A, we are going to open the compass, and then so that we are sure that it is the length of line segment AB, we are going to make an arc at point B. And from then, we are going to set our compass to point C. And from point C, without adjusting the opening, we are going to make an arc. And then we call it point D. So we are going to name that intersection as point D. So from here, segment AB is congruent to segment CD. So let us check whether they are congruent. So let us first deduce that segment AB is congruent to segment CD. And to check whether they are really congruent, we are going to drag line segment AB to line segment CD. So really, have a little push. Okay, so that's it. So really, they are of the same length. So that is how we construct or we copy a line segment. So first, set your compass at point A and then open until you reach point B. And then you go to your point C and then make an arc, and then whatever the intersection, you name it as D or any letter that you want to use. So that's it for the copying a line segment. Now let's move on to construction of an equilateral triangle. So here we are going to have constructing an equilateral triangle. So from our line segment AB, we are going to construct an equilateral triangle. And remember, equilateral triangle, the sides are all equal. So the first thing we need to do here is to make a line segment and call it A prime, one of the points, endpoint. And then we are going to measure line segment AB. And from point A prime, we are going to make an arc. And then name it the point of intersection as B prime. From here, we are going to make an arc at the top. And then set your compass at point B prime and make another arc without adjusting the opening of the compass. So as you can see, there is a point of intersection over there. So we are going to connect that point of intersection to point A prime and point B prime using your ruler. So to check whether it is really equilateral, let us measure the sides using the opening of your compass. So this side and then the other side. Then check the other side too. Correct. So it is equal. Then side A prime, B prime. Okay, so it is really an equilateral triangle. So that is how we construct an equilateral triangle given the length of a line segment. So now let us have to construct a perpendicular bisector. So in here, given line segment AB, we are going to bisect it. So the word bisector means it divides the segment into two equal parts. So using your compass, set your compass at point A and then open your compass more than a half of your line segment AB. And then you are going to make an arc at the top and then make an arc below. So make an arc at the top and make an arc at the bottom. And then move to point B without adjusting your compass, okay? Make an arc below and then make an arc at the top. So as you can see, we have point of intersection over there. So what you need to do is to get your ruler and then draw a line. So touching the point of intersection. So we have a line over there already. So from here, we are going to name that point of intersection point M. So now we have a perpendicular bisector, and you all know that perpendicular lines form a right angle. So that's it. Perpendicular bisector, it divides into two equal parts as well as it forms a 90-degree angle. So now let us move to copying an angle. So in here, we are going to copy angle B. So the first thing you need to do is to get your ruler and make a line segment or ray, and then name this point as B prime because it is a copy of your original point B. And from here, get your compass, set it to point B. So get your compass and set it to point B and make an arc. Without adjusting the compass, go to point B prime and make an arc. So just make it big. Okay. And then from here, you are going to move, since we have point of intersection over angle B, open your compass and then make sure that it touches the other intersection. So that to confirm, you make an arc. Okay, that's it. And now without adjusting the compass, go to your point of intersection over there and then make an arc. So as you can see, you have your point of intersection. All you need to do, get your ruler and then connect it to point B prime. So we have already an angle congruent to angle B. So angle B is congruent to angle B prime because we just copy angle B. Now the last one, bisecting an angle. So in here, we are going to divide an angle into two equal angles. So we have here the angle, and then we have point A. So from here, we are going to set our compass at point A and then make an arc. Either you make an arc in each of the following rays or you just make the whole arc connecting the two rays, okay? And then from here, we are going to set our compass at this point and open your compass more than a half of the opening of your angle. And then go to the other point, then make an arc without adjusting your compass. And then connect the point of intersection to point A. Using your ruler. Okay, make a line. Okay, that's it. So in here, we already bisect the angle. So it means that we have two congruent angles formed. So again, when we bisect an angle, first open the compass, set it at point A, and then make an arc. Either you make an arc on each of these rays or you make a big arc connecting the two rays. And from that point of intersection, you open your compass more than a half of the opening of your angle. Then make an arc. Then go to the other point of intersection without adjusting, make an arc. And then connect it to your point B. So that's it. So for your practice, do exercise 2D in page 40 of your textbook. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye!